still good. That was loud.
Wow, my ears are ringing. Action, action.
2 years ago, my RTR team and I embarked on a secret project with Ford. The mission was to create the most thrilling and fun to drive turbocharged Mustang ever. A Mustang that would elevate sports car performance for a new generation of enthusiasts. Introducing the new Mustang RTR, the first RTR to come straight out of the Ford factory, ready to rock. This is only the second time in Mustang's history that Ford has shared design and engineering duties to produce a Mustang. Is this real life? Somebody pinch me. It's an affordable turbocharged Mustang, full of RTR's passion for fun and winning, with the DNA of Ford's greatest performance offerings. Let me prove that to you. Featuring Mustang's first anti-lag system, anti-lag from the factory. That's right, we worked together to bring anti-lag tech to this Mustang RTR. It's the most badass turbocharged Mustang ever produced. Yeah! The new Ford Mustang RTR, available to all, not for everyone. So you're going to turn it on, you're going to put the drift brake on, and then you're going to do one press on the traction control. And then you're going to go into this open area and just go forward, flicking it with the handbrake, and just stand on the throttle.
Like full throttle?
Yes, and you'll be able to steer the car around, and it will adjust the brakes so that you can be drifting. Because you're the most amateur one here.
Oh yeah.
And I want to test this right now.
Wow, that was sick. Had a ton of smoke and just slowly came around him. Right? Like if he just stopped right there and started driving, let me just show you. Okay. Let him stay there.